Welcome to my Build Your First Website course. I'm very excited for this course because we're going to get started straight from the beginning and learning by doing. We're not going to waste your time with fluff and theory, but you're going to learn as we go along. And I think from doing this, you're going to be surprised at how easy it is to learn how to build websites. During the course, we're going to be building this site right here, 1millionlines.com. Through doing that, you're going to learn the basic building blocks of HTML and CSS, and then we're going to get more advanced as the course goes along. And by the time we're done with the course, you'll be able to build any site you want and make it look any way you want. To get started, let's go ahead and download these three things. First, we need our text editor. For this course, we're going to be using Sublime Text 3. So make sure you have sublimetext.com/3 up here to get the most recent download. Then we need a web browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome throughout this course, and I suggest you do too. It has a lot of benefits in its developer tools, and it's very easy to use and powerful when you're making a website. Then finally, we're going to download Bootstrap. So go to getbootstrap.com. Bootstrap is a framework we're going to use to be able to build websites fast, and it gives us the benefit of being able to build responsive sites. So the site's going to look the same from your mobile device to your tablet to your desktop to your laptop. Okay? And then also it's going to help us keep a uniform look across browsers. So one of the challenges you face when you're building websites is that a site can look different from Google Chrome to Internet Explorer to Mozilla Firefox. Well, using Bootstrap helps us keep this uniform look across the three. So go ahead and download these three things, and then let's get started building our first site.